Ontario, and the winner is from the Philippines. The Community Center of Malvar. I would just like to take this opportunity to give this recognition to the Community Center of Malvar. Can I request the team, headed by the mayor and the CC manager, to come forward to receive this recognition. Let me just read the citation as they come forward. Telecenter.org Foundation presents this plaque of recognition to the Community Center of Malvar, Batangas, Philippines, for winning the Telecenter Women Digital Literacy Campaigns Train the Most Number of Women competition with a prize of 15,000 Swiss francs of ICT equipment from the International Telecommunication Union. This is worth 660,000 pesos of ICT equipment. So the contest is conducted by the foundation and IT. So this award will be received by no less than the mayor himself. I personally visited the community center in Malvar, and I've seen how the mayor and his team, together with Baby, was reaching out to the grassroots women. They're bringing the computers, physically bringing the desktop to the barangay just to be able to reach out to the women. And so with the prize, they're going to buy laptops, several notebooks, and more computers to reach more women. So congratulations to the Community Center of Malvar. Next, please.